how to select and save part of pictures on Samsung phone. So the phone I'm having right now is Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, so tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then open up your gallery app and go back to your gallery pictures. In here, go down and open up a pictures. Now there are a few ways how you can select part of a picture. So let's say if you open up this picture right here, if you want to select part of this pictures, just simply touch and hold. And then you can see this object will be lifted. Once it is selected, you can tap on copy, save as stickers, or you can save as image. Okay, if you tap on the view button here, we now have saved part of that image. So if you do not want to use this smart select, then what you can also do, let me open up another pictures. So let's say here you want to capture this part of a small circle. So how do we do that? So if you touch and hold, you can see it will simply select the whole camera instead of this small button. So another option is to try to use AI select. So tap on the home button and then swipe down at the top, then tap on settings. In settings, we go down and tap on display. Next, we scroll down and tap on edge panels. Make sure edge panels is turned on. Then tap on panels and make sure the apps button is selected and tap on edit in here. Make sure it is selected. Okay, so go back and tap on the home button. Also make sure edge panels is turned on. Now open up gallery back in here and then we swipe out to open up the edge panel. Swipe across and we choose AI select. Okay, with AI select, it will help us select an object. So here you can try to select that part and then you can try to capture that. So I will close AI and then I zoom in like that. And then you use AI select. Here we change the selection window and try to touch and hold onto that. As you can see, as I try to touch and hold, it will select part of that circle. Here it says save as sticker, or you can tap on the download button, or you can copy it to the clipboard. So if I download the button, it will save in gallery. So now if I go back to gallery in here, you can see it will now select that button right there. Okay, so there are different techniques. I will show you different ways how you can do it. Another way to do it is to open up AI select again, and then you can go down like that. If you select that and it doesn't allow you to select the button, you can see here it doesn't allow you to select the button. Instead, it will select the whole thing. You can try to say zoom in a little bit and then use AI select to select that circle. So select that and then touch and hold. Now if that doesn't work, then what you can also do is simply select part of that section and then download it. Once you download it, you can see it will shows that, and then you can touch and hold, and there you can now lift the object, and then you can save as image or you can copy to the clipboard. Once it is copied to the clipboard, you can then paste it. So we can go in here and we can paste the pictures on top of another picture. So okay, so in this picture we can just touch and then tap on paste, and here's the button that we have pasted in. You can move the button around, and that's it. So that's how you can select and save part of pictures on Samsung phone. So you can select that. So from out here we can select that and then simply save the camera, save as image, or you can select part of the image using AI select right here, and then you can select part of the image that you want to copy and you can move it around. So that section there, we can then save it, or you can crop it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.